Welcome to 351 South Woodfin Ridge Drive, Inman, South Carolina, a distinguished executive residence situated in the esteemed Woodfin Ridge Country Club, just perfect for golf enthusiasts. This remarkable 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home spans 2,856 square feet and masterfully blends classic elegance with modern amenities. Upon entering, you'll be welcomed by elegant hardwood floors and newly installed plush carpeting in the bedrooms. The gourmet kitchen and bathrooms are enhanced with luxurious granite countertops, while newly installed plantation shutters and blinds provide a touch of sophistication. All appliances, including the washer and dryer, are included for your convenience. The spacious primary suite is an elegant dream with soaring ceilings, fireplace and bathroom en suite featuring a walk-in shower and soaker tub. This all-brick beauty features a spacious office and a formal dining room, complemented by an eat-in kitchen area. Nestled in the Boiling Springs area, close to Lake Bowen, Highway 9, in the scenic foothills of North Carolina, this home seamlessly combines comfort, luxury, and convenience. Don't miss the chance to make this exceptional property yours. Schedule your private showing today and experience the exceptional lifestyle that awaits.